Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is one of the special blog which we wanted to do it. Recently we visited to Rajasthan. So any trip to India cannot be completed without visiting Rajasthan. This is the northwestern state of India and it's have favorite among the traveler with a good reason. The colorful cities, glorious history, grand palaces, forts, and carved temples, golden sand dunes, which can attract almost every type of traveler. Best time to visit Rajasthan is between November, December, and January because the temperature difference will not be too much. I mean, we started from 2 to 3 degrees centigrade and it went till 25 to 27 degrees centigrade in Jaisalmer and sand dunes area. So this is the best time you can go and explore all the things which is there. We started our journey from Bangalore to Jaipur, and the total duration of the trip was almost 8 days and 9 nights. So what we did, we planned the itinerary to cover the most distance, and we covered Jaipur, Ranthambore, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Longewala. We went to the last NH highway, Tamat, and then back to the Jodhpur to catch the flight. For travel perspective, you have two options. You can connect with the offline Rajasthan guys, and they can provide you the car for all the itinerary, or you can opt for savari.com. They have the facility where you can ask them to send their cars, and that particular car will be with you till the last drop. As our trip was for 8 days and 9 nights, so we booked one day for Jaipur, one day in Ranthambore, 2 days for Udaipur, and one day for Jodhpur, one day for Jaisalmer, one entire day for sand dunes, and back to the Jodhpur to catch the flight. We started from Bangalore, reached Jaipur early morning. After that, we explored Jaipur for an entire day. Next day, we went to Ranthambore, and from Jaipur to Ranthambore, it is almost 150 kilometers. Once you reach the Ranthambore, first and most important thing you need to do is that you need to opt for the Ranthambore safari. Before planning the trip for Rajasthan, you must ensure that you have booked the Ranthambore safari. Else you will be in very tough situation where you will not be able to find the ticket and you need to pay more amount. Post that, you can visit Ranthambore fort, and that is also very good place, and return back to your hotel and you can enjoy the dinner. Next, early morning we started to Ajmer from Ranthambore. It is on the way if you go to the Udaipur. After that, you can directly go to the Udaipur. During travel of Udaipur, you can see the Chittorgarh and all, and varieties of local foods you can enjoy. Enjoy your delicious breakfast and get ready for a city tour. You can visit Shahilo Ki Badi, a greenhouse built for ladies who went for princess after marrying Maharana Sangram Singh. Further, you can visit City Palace, admire architecture with mirrored wall, ivory doors, windows with curved glasses. In the evening, take a break through a boat ride over the Lake Pichola. You can visit Under the Sun Aquarium, where you can have various colorful fishes. Then back to the hotel, and you can continue toward Jodhpur. Till afternoon, you will be there in Jodhpur. After that, you can check in the hotel and then proceed toward Mehrang Fort, which is above the hill, and it can be visible throughout the city. You can visit the Taj Mahal of Marwar, that is also called a Jaswantara, that is made up of with a marble sheet. In the evening, you can go to Balsam Lake, located in the middle of well-manicured garden. Also, you can go to the Ghanta Ghar, Umaid Bhavan Palace, and back to the hotel overnight stay. Once breakfast is done, you can check out from the hotel and you can start your journey toward Jaisalmer. On the route, you can visit Patto Ki Haveli, Nathmathal Ki Haveli, Salim Ki Haveli, which is date back from 12th to 15th century, and it is very good monuments. Go to directly to sand dunes, where you have the desert camp located, and enjoy the camel safari, jeep safari, see the sunset, early morning see the sunrise, and in night there will be a special dinner, some cultural program will be there in open theater. Just enjoy that one and enjoy. After the desert camp stay, you can go to Longewala, which is almost 130 km from Jaisalmer, and then sand dunes. And the drive is too good. I mean, you will not be able to find any villages, anything. Only the road goes to the border area. You can see 1971 war, India versus Pakistan. All the vehicles, the war vehicles, you can see easily the destroyed Pakistan tankers, guns and all, and what all the army has utilized the weapons and all. They will show you 15 minutes war video as well, so that is a must one. And visiting Longawala will insurely give you a pride moment after seeing the army and the way they have done. After Longewala, you can go via Ramgarh to Jaisalmer. You can visit Jaisalmer Fort. After that, Jaisalmer War Memorial. That is also very good. You can head back to the Jodhpur where you can stay overnight. And early morning, you can take your flight back to your destination. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, just give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to the channel.